The character I play, Ivanom Blockom, is a guy who's gone down to Costa Rica and started an internet gambling website. And he's become extremely successful.
We're talking 7.2 million a day.
That kind of money in the middle of Costa Rica creates this sort of crazy dynamic. It's kind of the Wild West, the sort of bribing everybody. It draws in all these girls and gamblers and hustlers. That's the world that we see when we step into Block's life.
Richie, I look at you and I see myself. You've been kicked around, you've been told you weren't good enough, and you have something to prove.
What Block wants to get out of Richie is to get him to be part of his army. And I think he uses Richie's pride and ambition.
This is my thanks to you. You with me?
Block's upstairs. He wants to see you.
Block wants to manipulate him so that he won't object to some of the things that he sees.
Tell your gringo boss I'm sending a message.
You set me up.
This is your job. Your boss says you gotta go out there and take a beating. Go out there, take it, come back to work, and say, do you need me to do it again?
He knows what buttons to press on people. Everybody has something they care about more than money. Find out what that is, and then you gotta do the hard thing.
Every time someone crosses him, they come up missing.
What are you gonna do?
I have a voice. It's not your conscience. It's fear.